Hey everyone, and welcome to today's Explainer. I am so thrilled to have you here in our virtual classroom. Today, we're going to do something that's really fun and incredibly productive. We'll be reading right through a fantastic foundational chapter called Computer, a Smart Machine, literally line by line, to truly understand what computers are and exactly where they fit into our world. And you know, we aren't just stopping at the theory. After we break down the concepts step by step, we are going to roll up our sleeves and tackle the exercises at the back of the book together. Let's get into it. Here's our learning journey for today. We'll cover natural and man-made things, look at what machines can do, explore the smart computer, and finally, we'll solve the MCQs, the Q&A, and the final application exercises. All right, starting off with Section 1, Natural and Man-Made Things.
Take a quick second to just look around the room you're in right now. Where do all those different things actually come from? Well, everything we see falls into two main categories. First up, we have natural things. These are created entirely by nature. We're talking about the bright sun, birds, rocks, and trees. We simply can't make these things ourselves. Then, on the flip side, we have man-made or artificial things. An airplane, the chair you're sitting on, or a printed book. These are crafted by human beings.
So let's put this to the test and assess ourselves. The book asks us to tick the natural things and cross the man-made things. Think about a big green tree. That definitely gets a tick because, well, it's a gift from nature. The sun? Absolutely another tick. But what about a yellow school bus or a refrigerator? I mean, nature doesn't exactly grow buses or fridges, right? Humans build them in factories, so they get a cross.
Moving right along to Section 2, what machines can do.
Machines are essentially our very own special helpers. But why do we build them? Well, primarily, machines save our time. They can do things way faster than we ever could by hand. Secondly, they make our work significantly easier by taking on the heavy lifting. Now, here is a really crucial detail to remember. Machines cannot work on their own. They absolutely need us to start them and guide them. But the amazing trade-off is that, unlike us humans, machines do not get tired. You can run a washing machine all day long and it won't ever complain about needing a nap.
So how exactly do we get these machines to work? They need power. The text tells us that some machines run on electricity. Think of the oven baking your pizza, the air conditioner, or that washing machine we just talked about. Other machines run on fuel, like an airplane, your family's car, or a school bus. And finally, some machines run with human power. Think of a sewing machine operated by a foot pedal, a rickshaw, or a push cart.
Now for the best part. Section 3, the smart computer. Meet the absolute star of our chapter. The text reads, "Computer is also a machine that runs on electricity. A computer is also a man-made machine. But what really sets it apart from a standard electric machine, like an oven or a fridge, is that the computer is a smart machine." But why do we give it the title of a smart machine? Well, just look at its incredible features. First, it works exceptionally fast and gives highly accurate results. Honestly, it rarely makes mistakes unless the human using it messes up. Second, it can store massive amounts of results and information and perform many, many different tasks. An oven just heats things up, but a computer, you can do calculations, play video games, listen to music, watch videos, and type letters, literally all on the exact same machine. It saves us a ton of time, it never gets tired, and it's ready to be used anytime.
All right, time to put our knowledge to work. Section 4,
Let's solve MCQs and blanks. It is action time. We're going to start our practice time with the multiple choice questions and then work our way down to the fill in the blanks. Go ahead and grab your pencils.
Starting off with question 1. Which of the following is a natural thing? Your options are A, car, B, sun, or C, book. Think back to our very first rule. Which of these wasn't made in a factory? If you guessed B, sun, you are absolutely right. Excellent job. Let's skip ahead slightly to see how this builds on our computer knowledge with question 4. Which of these is a feature of a computer? Is it A, it gets tired? No, we definitely know machines don't need naps. Is it C, it is a natural thing? Definitely not. Humans build them. So the logical, correct answer must be B. It works very fast. Spot on.
Okay, now we'll knock out the fill in the blanks. We've got a super handy word bank here: electricity, tired, man-made, time, and fuel. Number 1, things made by humans are called man-made things. Number 2, machines save our time. Number 3, a washing machine runs on electricity. Number 4, machines do not get tired like humans do. And number 5, a bus runs on fuel. Look at that, we systematically used our word bank and solved that entire section flawlessly.
Next up, section 5. Let's solve the Q&A.
The first 2 questions ask us to define and give examples for both natural and man-made things. Remember our earlier definitions? Natural things are created by nature, like trees and birds. Man-made things are crafted by human beings, like the chair you're sitting on or the book we're reading right now. It's really great to see how the concepts easily turn into perfect answers. Let's rapid fire through the rest. How do machines help us? They make work easier and save time. Name a machine on electricity. A refrigerator. A machine on fuel. A car. Why is a computer called a smart machine? Because it works insanely fast, can do many tasks, and never gets tired. And finally, can a machine work on its own? The answer is a huge no. Machines are incredible helpers, but they absolutely rely on us to turn them on. We are in the home stretch. Section 6. Final application exercises. We're going to wrap up with our final challenges. True or false, matching the columns, and a really fun application-based question that will test how we apply all this to the real world.
Let's just go right through the match the columns exercise step by step. Number 1 is a rock. We draw a line to see natural thing. Number 2 is a chair. Connect that right to D, man-made thing. Number 3 is a car. Well, we know cars need petrol, so that matches with A, runs on fuel. Number 4 is a rickshaw. That requires pedaling, so it goes to E, runs on human power. And finally, number 5, our star, the computer. Draw that line straight to B, smart machine.
And now for our final application question, to test everything we've learned today. Suppose your father wants to drink a glass of chilled juice. Which machine is used to make the juice chilled? Think about your kitchen for a second. What large, man-made machine running on electricity keeps food and drinks cold? It's the refrigerator. Excellent work today, everyone. You have totally conquered the concepts and the exercises. Now, I want to leave you with this final thought. Take a walk around your home later today. How many smart machines can you spot? And what incredible tasks are they quietly doing every single day to make your life easier? Thanks for joining me on this explainer, and keep exploring.